I'm Jalene Anderson-Barron, co-founder and COO at Future Fields. We're building a 6,000 square foot commercial biomanufacturing facility to scale recombinant protein production in fruit flies. The name instar is actually a biology term, and it refers to the developmental stage between insect larvae. So we thought it was fitting for us because the Ento engine, our fruit fly biotechnology platform, and how we are also constantly growing and evolving to better serve our clients. Instar One will be the one-stop shop for manufacturing many different types of GMP-compliant proteins, helping us meet the diverse quality needs of markets ranging from preclinical research and clinical trial materials to industrial enzymes and animal health. We are looking forward to having more dedicated space for manufacturing high-quality, GMP-compliant recombinant proteins. We have custom designed every aspect of this facility to meet our own unique needs, and we're really excited to keep scaling and growing our manufacturing capabilities.